What are you doing, Rachel? What are you doing?
A black one.
You want the black paint?
This one. This one.
You want me to help you open it?
Oh, this one. Oh, this one. Oh, this one.
Okay. Let me help you. Good job. Oops. There you go. Try again. Push it real hard. Oh, there you go. You want the black one? This one is the black one. What is this one?
I know.
Oh no, you can't lean on it. It's all wet. That's okay. I'll go get you a washcloth. Here, you keep coloring and I'll get you a washcloth, okay? Stay in the kitchen with it. Good job. Are you painting?